Okay, you remember when I got these last year? Pitas. I'm not going to use them as a pita. They're frozen, just took them out of the oven. But I am going to use them as a base to put the chicken on. So I'm going to put them in the microwave for a few minutes just to kind of soften them, and then I will place them in the toaster oven. Okay, so to this I added some cheese, and I'm also going to add mozzarella cheese, and I'm also going to add some Parmesan just to give it a little flavor. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this, just layer it on, not layer it, but set it on top. Oop, that's a big old chunk here. Okay, and I'm going to use my marked down spinach, put it on top, and crumble a little bit of this frozen cheese. Okay, and then now I'm going to put it into the toaster oven. Okay, so to this next one, I decided to add on the base, since I didn't put any sauce or anything, I diced up some garlic, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a little, and maybe a little bit of cheese, just a little bit of this Parmesan, just to kind of give it a little flavor, and some pepper. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil so I could stretch it for 2 pitas. Okay, and then we'll, after I dress this one up, we'll take the other one out of the oven, toaster oven. It should be fine. Now these 2 first ones are for my son, so he may not do a review on it. Okay, now just to add some of this chicken. Kind of a no fuss, no muss to me. Let's see, I think that's, I'll do just a little bit more on that one, since he's going to require a lot of food. Okay, and then we're just going to top it with some spinach. Okay. Okay, so here's the first one. What do you think? I have a feeling the second one's going to taste better because of that garlic, olive oil, cheese base at the bottom. Okay. Number 2. Okay, friends, so let's...
Alright, friends, so today we're going to look at my gal's
Okay. Tom always has that little, he's a prankster, so.
All right, friends, so today we're going to be checking out my mother's most famous Pita pizza.
Mmm. That tastes good.
Awesome.
For just putting it together. It tastes better with a little bit of that chopped garlic, some Parmesan cheese at the base, and then adding this topping here with some shredded rotisserie chicken and some cheese, and just putting it over some pita bread that we had. Of course, you could use any type of bread that you'd like. Okay, friends, so I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. And excuse my prankster Tom for bombing my video. Okay, friends, talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends.